Welcome to part 4 of the Beach and Photos quest line in the Days of Sunlight, which goes till August 20th. This Beach and Photos is from last year's Days of Sunlight event, and it is a vault area, which is you can get right here. And the 3 items that we now need to collect for part 4 is a ladder, a manta, and some streamers, with the flag streamers. As I said, they do have them in here because I did this quest last year, but I'm showing you how to find these items if you had not done this quest line. So a couple of them we can get in here. I think the ladder is a little bit further up. Right there's the ladder. Alright, let's get our camera on. Whoops, no, not Avery. There's also a ladder in the vault itself that you can take a photo of. I don't know if there's any banners around here. Those are all lights. You can see a long distance for stuff that you might need also. Alright. Let's hop down here, see if we see any streamers anywhere. Or the flags, not streamers. Oh, there's some flags right there. Alright. Now the last part is a manta. And the easiest, fastest way to get to a manta, since we're already here, is we can go in here and free a manta. Straight through to the area that takes you up to the temple. You can free a manta that's stuck, and so that'd be a good place to get a manta. That's right through, barely through. So that's the fastest one to capture a photo from. Go ahead and put the camera back on, make it easier. Oh. Alright, the manta will basically be right below us. I don't know if I can do it with it in the stuff. Yes, I can. Okay. You don't have to burn it out of the darkness to be able to get it. And it does rain in here, so please be careful. There's your manta. We'll call and let him go. We'll free him. Oh, actually I can go right back up. Instead of going to Avery and going back, since we didn't go that far anyway, we can just go right back up here. You do have to have, this way, the 8 spirits in this area to be able to get through the barricade though. So if you do not have the 8 spirits, go back to Avery and use the little guide to get you in here. That's the only way, unless you have a friend that'll bring you in here by holding your hand, unless you have 8 spirits. And we'll go back right through this portal and hand these in. And then we'll be ready to do the last part of this storyline. Alright, there's our 3 items that we captured. You hand them in by clicking on the memory core. Alright, for this one, we need a light creature. That right here is, we can get from the Daylight Prairie where you fly through the cloud. You don't have to even move though. You can get those first two items right there. And we will do that on the way to getting the light creature, which is in the peaks. That is the easiest one to get to. So we will go back to Avery and I will start the last part of this. See you there.